Guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on the website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you feyorra 0.1 and 0.2 feyorra. Between of this website pay you every 1 minute. First of all, go to your faucet pay, copy your feyorra wallet address and link it. Okay, this is a feyorra wallet address. I just click it, copy it, and come in this website. Okay, and paste in here your feyorra wallet address and then click login. Just solve this two captures: school, barber, where is barber, okay, airport, and museum. And just solve this capture and just click verify capture. Wait few seconds, and this show you a sponsor link. Just click in here to show you a sponsor link, then you can claim your reward. Just I pause the video after I solving the verify this your link, then I will be come back. Okay, this not too hard. Okay, this too easy, and this will be tell you the found continue. Okay, and just click here to scroll down and then continue, and there's no continue available in here for right now. I just wait few seconds to page will be reload. Okay, in here in down you can see this, click continue. And guys, you can see this website pay me instantly to my faucet pay, and I go to my faucet pay to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. That's not too hard, but you need a faster internet connection to claim your reward. And you can see this website send me my feyorra. Thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, just solve a capture, and you can easily make your free amount. Every 1 minute you will be can do it, and you can see, and less than 1 minute you can claim again, and you can make much more amount from here. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Bye bye for now.